All right, so I want to make a quick review video and installation, full DIY of this Wyze Cam OG. Night vision, indoor, outdoor, wired. I did have this opened already, so this is the camera that comes with it. Pretty cool. I do like it just because, I mean, you got this mounting bracket right here, pretty neat. You got your two screws that the hardware comes with it, top and bottom, slides directly on. Just like that. You have a little arm or a little arm here that this pivots. I call this stealth mode, so it's pretty cool. You can kind of mount it on your wall or wherever you want it to go. This also tightens. Now right here is where you can put your SD card. I always say if you want to save money and you don't want to purchase the subscription plan, grab yourself the little SD card, because the subscription plan is going to cost you $2.99 per camera. Pretty great camera. Also two-way communication, has a little speaker you can communicate within the Wyze app. This little connector here is where you're going to connect with your power source, this is like a little silicone piece that actually protects the connection for liquid getting on the inside. Very nice because it's going to keep everything fully intact. Now the suction of this is incredible. Now I'm going to pull it apart and you can hear it. Great. I mean, it definitely an amazing connection. Also too, what comes with this is a full power cord. This power cord is about 6.5 foot deep, 6.5 feet long. Great power source, great camera all in all. You can't beat this camera, especially for the price. The price is absolutely incredible. Some of the things that include with this camera, you got color night vision, you have 1080p and full HD, weather resistance, so this can go outside. Integration spotlight, two-way communication, which is the radio. The little SD card is what I was talking about for you to avoid paying the subscription. You have to get the SD card to avoid the subscription. Also too, motion activated, detect sound, 6-foot wire, remote live stream right in the Wyze app. Definitely a great function, and also there's more features to this if you pay for the subscription. This I'm just learning about as person identification. So I guess if you set this up where you don't want someone coming on your property, it will notify you if it's a certain individual. Not really sure how that works yet, but I'm still figuring that out. Pretty awesome for 20 bucks. For $20 to $25, you cannot beat this camera. Pretty incredible. So let's set this up. I'm actually just going to put this guy in my garage. I always say on my lives that this is the guy I have in my garage because I'm always leaving, and when I leave, I'm always paranoid that I left my garage door open. I can log on to the Wyze app and I'm able to tell. So let's go set this bad boy up. All right, so I'm finally going to mount this bad boy right here in the middle, and I'm going to have it overlook my two garage doors. These are automatic. This one's just a manual. So sorry for the mess. This is the garage. So we're going to set this up. I have my screw in place. We're just going to mount this directly on the wall, and I am going to put it right. I'm going to put it right here. Extremely easy to set up. I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to put one more screw in the bottom just so everything's just reinforced. So you got to match up the little dimples with the dimples up here. All right, now I'm going to position this facing my garage doors. Now don't forget, this is an indoor-outdoor camera, so it does not need to be inside. I'm just having the this camera set up in here just because I just want to make sure my garage doors are always closed, because I'm always forgetting or think I'm forgetting. Now I'm going to grab the power source. Which is right there, and now I'm just going to literally plug it in. And there we go. Now let's set it up in the app. You see I got the indicator light on now, and now we're gonna jump into the app. All right, if you haven't done so, download the free Wyze app. Once you're done doing that, up in the left-hand corner, there's a little plus button. Click that. Now we're gonna click the first one, add device. Once you're done doing that, we're gonna click the first one, camera, and we are gonna look for the Wyze Cam OG. Now, you got to make sure your camera is plugged in because it's going to register or pick up the signal of the camera. So make sure you have a full power source. Once you're done doing that, you're going to have a little button on the back underneath the camera. It's a white button that says setup. You're going to click that, press it down, and then it's going to start to flash red. Once it flashes red, you're going to hit begin searching for device. This could just take a minute for it to connect. Now it's going to ask you about your Wi-Fi, so click the Wi-Fi, put in your password, and then you're going to have a screen like this. It's going to connect to your Wi-Fi, so just give it a minute. Now you're going to name the device. I am going to name this device Inside Garage. And you can name your device anything you want. All right, so here's the plan. I suggest you just do the basic plan and grab the SD card. Continue. Now you could share all the footage in the live streaming with a friend's family or a business partner, but we're going to skip this for now. All right, and just like that, your camera is fully set up and ready for operation. All right, and that's a live shot of me in my garage. Just set it up. Now let's see a full shot of this. All right, so as you can see, I got a nice clear shot of my garage doors. I can tell that the middle one is open, so it helps me all the time if I'm leaving the house. If I know I close the garage doors 9 out of 10 times, I always do. But this is the quality of this camera. Great little camera, especially for a nursery inside a garage like this, especially for the price. You can't beat this. I know everything's kind of a mess right now, but this is what I use this camera for. I mean, you cannot beat this little camera. It comes with a little cable. I got it plugged right in here for my garage just to make sure all my garage doors are closed at all times when I leave. Like I said, guys, awesome little camera. You can't beat this for the price.